early morning. What time is it? 9:50 a.m. bro. We're starting early.
How long should this take us, bro? Realistically.
I mean, we always say 2 hours, but you know how it goes.
Kinda.
Chris, how you feel about going double digits?
I'm only going -3, bro. Okay.
Alright, bro. What's next, bro? After the wheels?
Now we actually start. Let me see.
Well, you can't see, but we're gonna take off the front uppers. We're gonna replace them with the Megan uppers with flip ball joint. Hot boy shit. Yeah. Alright, next shot, I'm gonna be taking them off.
You got it? Damn, bro.
The mechanic over here, Toro, David Toro. Hit him up for your needs.
Only if you're immoral, you can hit me up.
What you do for?
That's a toe pick.
So toe picks?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Start, get the start.
You know, selling toe picks gets you, bro. Yeah. So what you doing right now, man?
Trying to get this. Trying to get the camber arm in. Is just we had to drop the coil, so it kind of sucks.
What you doing over here, Gonzo?
I don't even know.
He says I'm following my instinct and that's it.
He got that. He was moaning. Bro, I was moaning, bro. Yo. What?
Yeah, if you want to go tighter, you need a 30.
I run like that, but that shit look good though.
It might rub a little.
Just
bit.
buy a lip.
Oh yeah, you need a 30.
Bro, double digit around here.
How the fuck you order that shit?
We better start with the
This
rear.
right here,
Look how the front came out. Fronts came out pretty good. I mean, shit. I say it's like about -10 probably.
This guy.
Yeah, but it's looking good. Let's see what we can do with the rear.
Yeah.